अगर प्रेगनेंसी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हैं, मिसकैरेजेस का हिस्ट्री है या अबॉर्शन वगैरह हुए हैं आपके और आपका प्रेगनेंसी इजी नहीं जा रहा, तो आपके लिए ये रेमेडी लेके आई हूं मैं। एक सिंपली आपको एक मोली लेनी है, एक रेड कलर का कलावा लेना है और इसको आपको गांठ बांधना है 9 बारी। 9 बार माँ पार्वती का बीज मंत्र जो स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है उसको बोलते हुए। ऐसा करने के बाद आप इस कलावे को अपने हाथ पे बांध लीजिएगा एंड ऐसा करने से आपका जो प्रेगनेंसी है वो तो स्मूथ जाएगा ही, आपके बच्चे का हेल्थ भी इंप्रूव हो जाएगा।
हाल ही में हुई एक स्टडी के हिसाब से 48% महिलाएं स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं कंसेप्शन से और प्रेगनेंसी इश्यूज से। अगर 2024 में आप एक बच्चा प्लान करने के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं तो 2025 में मैं आपको एक उपाय बता रही हूँ जो इसको रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट कर देगा। आपको सिंपली एक बाल गोपाल, लड्डू गोपाल अपने घर पे लाने हैं और उनकी सेवा करनी है और इससे आपकी प्रेगनेंसी कंसेप्शन के चांसेस बहुत हाई हो जाएंगे।
If you are manifesting a child and a healthy pregnancy for yourself, try this remedy because I am sure that it is going to work. First of all, do things and feel things that are related to your pregnancy. For example, if you can write your passport in the phone like I am pregnant, every time you type it in the phone, you are automatically manifesting it. The second thing that you can do is put a picture of a healthy baby, a healthy chubby baby. That will also promote the vibrations and promote you towards the pregnancy. Placing a happy baby picture in your room, specifically in the West, can also accommodate your pregnancy very fast. एक सस्टेनेबल प्रेगनेंसी के लिए 3 उपाय कर लीजिएगा, प्रेगनेंसी बहुत सेफ और बहुत अच्छी से बीतेगी। नंबर 1, आपको अपने होम के अराउंड एक लाल धागा बांध के रखना है प्रोटेक्शन के लिए। इस धागे को आप हनुमान जी के चरणों में रख के बांध दीजिए। नंबर 2, बजरंग बाण आपको पढ़ना है डेली। और नंबर 3, प्रेगनेंसी को बिल्कुल सीक्रेटिव रखिए, जब तक छुपा सकते हैं तब तक छुपाइएगा।
To have a healthy pregnancy and a childbirth, follow these 3 simple remedies. Number 1, keep the west of your house always airy and open. Number 2, install more plants in your bedroom and avoid using any kind of dried decorations. Number 3, paste a picture of a red pomegranate in the west direction of your bedroom. If you want to know anything about pregnancy and conception, DM me for a free tarot question. The link is in my bio.
तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा।
An amazing Vastu tip to increase the fertility and chances of conception in your life is placing a picture of a red pomegranate, like any picture of a red pomegranate, on the west wall of your bedroom. Doing this will increase your probability of the conception and a healthy baby. Have you got a stubborn child? That doesn't mean the child is stubborn. That means you have a child who has a potential to become a leader in the future. Stubborn children are very strong-willed, and they have a tendency to become big and huge in the society later. Make sure that you're not giving them ultimatums. Make sure that you're not giving them threats because it ends the game for them. You should decide the rules by yourself and make sure that the screen time is reduced, specifically in the period of food eating, because that can affect them negatively. Hi there. If you have been feeling a lack of love and pleasure or pregnancy related issues in your married life, this is an ultimate solution. This is a Botswana agate bracelet, and this can be used to remove evil eye, nazar doshas, health issues, or any pregnancy or sex related problems in your life. You can order this by DMing on my page. It also comes with a verified certificate from the lab. If you want to have kids and you're still waiting for it, these are some easy tips. First of all, make sure that you're not sleeping under a beam. You should add pictures of babies or laughing babies in the west direction of your bedroom. Also, adding a picture of pomegranate or an image of pomegranate in your bedroom will enhance the possibility of the conception. If you are a woman and you have problems like PCOD, PCOS, problem in conception, weight issues, you feel that you're not very attractive, or you feel that your Venus is not very strong and it is not working in favor, you can do this one beautiful thing, and that is have a nose piercing. If you get a nose piercing done, you will notice that the nerves of the nose are always connected to the lower part of the body, so it increases the flow of energies and the flow of blood. It will in turn make you look more beautiful, more attractive, make you fertile and in fact increase the probabilities of a healthy body in you. It will activate your Venus and it will also cause all good things to happen. So this is the time to change and maybe get a nose piercing done.
चोरी चोरी जद तेनू तक्या मैं खुद को संभाल न सकिया मैं चल गया सजना तेरा ये फितूर रंग जानी